So Blender comes with its own set of workspaces. But if you want to work around with your own workspace and then set it up, then there's an option for that as well. So to do that, on the top, you can see that there's this plus icon right here, which you can click. And then over here, you can see that you can base your workspace on an existing workspace, or you can go ahead and then simply duplicate the current workspace right here. So I'm just going to duplicate the current workspace, and you can see that there's a workspace right here. So I'm just going to double click to rename that out, and I'm just going to say TuTuTube workspace right here. So now what you can do is you can make the changes. So you can pull this up. Let's say, for example, pull this out even further right here. And then you can go over here and click it to see different workspaces. So you can go to 3D viewport right here. And let's say I want to see another axis over here for the same cube. So if I were to actually move this around, you can see that you see the same cube right here. And then I can go around over here. And let's say I want the text editor right here, or I want other workspace like the graph editor. So this is our custom workspace. So if I were to go on to layout, you can see that this is our previous workspace. But if I were to go to this one, you can see that you don't need to do anything extra, but the workspace is saved. And if you want to switch over to your custom workspace, then you can just go around over here and access your work area as per how you feel comfortable. This is not just for the 3D layouts, but for other supported layouts as well. Let's say, for example, if you were to go to 2D animation, you can go around over here, and then let's say I'm going to go to 2D animation full canvas. You can go ahead and then change this out according to what you like. Let's say, for example, change this out right here. And then what you can do is you can go around into timeline, for example, or like text editor, and you can see that this is your custom workspace for that view as well. And that is how you can create custom workspaces inside of Blender. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.